there are a number of reasons why President Trump will be re-elected in the coming November 2020 elections. I will just take random some of the reasons. Let's say number one, President Trump is politically incorrect. See, most politicians basically will speak what people want to hear. But President Trump speaks what he thinks is true, what he thinks is correct. And even though sometimes people may not like it, but people appreciate the fact that he's honest. So that's a very good factor actually. That's a very big factor. When people go for voting, they see that, which is a really honest candidate. Another reason, second, you can say, President Trump basically is a man of action. See, there's one thing called promise. Other thing is called action. Trump is a man of action. And you can see that basically from the very first day when he joined the White House as a president, he started taking actions basically. He started delivering what he promised, before becoming president. And even now, just recently, when you see this coronavirus crisis, you can see that how quickly in a very short span of time, President Trump, using his business acumen, arranged ventilators in excess. Under his leadership, US did more than 10 million testing for coronavirus. 3 times more than any other country has done it so far. Very quick. He's a man of action. He immediately take action basically to stop, traveling from China. He took a stand. So this fact basically nobody can take, away from him. So I will say that President Trump is really a man of action, and which basically people want. Number third, I would say that's very easy. If the job done by the previous administration, previous government before Trump was great, then obviously people would have chosen the Democrat nominee, not President Trump. So that's very easy. Another one, basically, I can say President Trump is donating all his salaries. Basically, he's not taking any salary. Can you think of it in last 30 years, 40 years, 50 years, any president or vice president who was working, and any president basically was working last 40, 50 years and he was not taking his salary? See, President Trump basically, he's a billionaire. If he really wants, he can comfortably live his whole life without working for the rest of his life. He doesn't need to work. But he's still basically, fighting for the people. And especially when most of the mainstream media is against him, I think it's very difficult, but he's fighting for the people. And actually people can see it. And that's the reason basically I will say that President Trump will very easily re-elected in this coming November 2020 elections. Do let me know what you think about your views in the comment section below. I will be happy to answer it. Thank you very much for watching it.